back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go. So we're going to run 2 features. We'll split them up, run the same money, going to run 2 features. Here we go. Front row of this deal. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cars. Gonna go green. Front wheel digs. Green, 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 green. 4 wide going into 4 on a Sunday on a front wheel digs. Chicken man get a little loose. So big shout out to her right here going 2 features. Went 2 features, won an A feature and a B feature. Whoa! Caution. Red, 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 red. Big round of applause. All drivers are okay down in turn 1 and 2. He took a tumble over there. Took a tumble right there. He might have lost all the oil, by God. Huh? Green. Back on the way. Number 4, Jamie Massey. Jamie Massey. Oh! Contact on the back straightaway. No harm, no foul. Jamie Massey going to pick a nose up under the 22. Mr. Michael in the 22 machine. Station wagon. Michael Grogan in the 22. Massey in the 4. I think that's Kennedy. Yep, Joel Kennedy in the 11. Green, green, green. Here comes Massey to the inside of Grogan. Whoa! Massey almost went around. Kennedy goes to the outside in the 11 machine. Grogan still rocking and rolling. Grogan rolling. Here comes the 1 to the inside. There go 3 wide down the back straightaway. Massey is a meat and a sandwich. He's a Massey sandwich. Coming on 4, Kennedy goes way up the hill, signing autographs on trackside. Boom! Contact between the 1 and the 11. The 1 car playing pinball down the back straightaway and the front straightaway. The red 1. I think that's a 1. 1 on the top anyway. Grogan got it going on right now. 6 laps in the books. Lap 7 with 3 to go. Dirt Rich Videos in the building. Big shout out to them for streaming. Go download the app. Everything's on the app. Popsicle 6 to go for Grogan. Massey second, Kennedy third. Top 3 still the same. Should be the Mac Evers, Weenies, Sauce, white flag that time by for Michael Grogan in the 22 machine. That Mountain Dew was delicious. Coming off turn 4, going to victory lane for the first feature in the front wheel drives is Mr. Goggin for the Wesley English Memorial. Second, Steve Massey. Mr. Massey. And third, going to Mr. Kennedy, Joel Kennedy. They'll go to the scales.
Hey, that's a Grogan, not a Grogan, but he'll laugh about that one there.
Tell him that's my fault. Grogan, not Grogan.
I'll tell you what, we're moving right along here. Y'all give a big round of applause for Michael Grogan here.
Grogan, not Grogan.
A Grogan. He's calling you Grogan, Grogan, or some other, but you don't care, do you? Oh, you getting the victory on it.
No, I don't care, but that's all right, Big Woody. We took that Georgia money over to the Carolina line, baby.
Watch your mouth, boy.
Hey, and his car's still all in one piece. It looks different than that picture I seen with him over yonder the other day.
Yeah, we took a little ride at Charlotte, but man, my little boy come home this week and gave me a little motivation, and man, I tell you, that was a ride, but we made it happen.
Go ahead and thank you.
I think mainly my family, man. They give me drive, and especially my little boy, my girl. But all my sponsors, Skinny Harris Grading, Old Town Inc., H&M Cleaning Service, One Touch Detailing, Made No Coney, Drew's Marine. I mean, I couldn't thank everybody that helped me get to the track every week, but like I said, glad everybody stuck with us and come again today, and Mike and his crew for giving us a good service to race on.
Another big round of applause for Michael Grogan.
Old Michael Massey. Here we go. She'll be Miss